What I want you to do at this stage is to look on the column H here on my side that we have, and you're gonna sort it from smallest to largest.
Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can rank your product on Google. First of all, if it's your first time, my name is Oliver, giving you tips and tricks on how you can grow with Merch by Amazon. On our channel, we have a playlist dedicated to Merch by Amazon with so far 17 videos. So if this isn't something that interests you, after watching this video, you can go back and check all of them. Let's go right into the subject now. In order to rank your product on Google, what you're gonna do is to go to the well-known merch research. From there, you're gonna leave everything on US and t-shirt, but you can change the marketplace if you are interested to rank your product on Google on the UK. But for this example, I will use US and t-shirt. And you click on search. You're gonna find here by doing that the bestseller as per Amazon. And let's take for example this one, the first one. As you can see, with a BSR of 5,000, which means that it's selling a lot. You're gonna open this t-shirt. Okay. Now you're gonna go to the address bar and you're gonna copy the address link. But not everything you're gonna copy up to the end of the BSR. For this example, it ends with W43. You're gonna copy that. Once you do that, you're gonna go to Google AdWords. And you're gonna click on Discover New Keywords. You're gonna click on the Start with a website. You're gonna paste the link that you just copied, and then pay attention. You're gonna click on the Use Only page test here, and make sure that the country is United States. I tend to always forget and leave it to Canada because I'm based in Canada, but you have to change it to United States, and then get the result. What this will do, it will show you the keyword that this t-shirt is getting from Google. Because yes, the t-shirts are also ranked on Google, and Google is able to tell you with this tool what particular keywords drive to the t-shirt. So we're gonna use this list that we have right there in order to try to create t-shirts that rank on Google. Of course, in the niche of anime, graphic, cat, and so on. Okay, based of course on the t-shirt, because this one is a ramen cat kawaii anime tee. So we're gonna create design on this niche, okay, but we're gonna use the keyword that we have right there in order to try to rank them higher on Google and therefore on Amazon. Once you have this list, you're gonna export it. You click on this arrow, you click on CSV, you save, and you're gonna open the file. Once the file is open, you're gonna just remove the right column that are not really useful. You're gonna expand it, and then you're gonna filter. Okay. What I want you to do at this stage is to look on the column H here on my side that we have, and you're gonna sort it from smallest to largest. This column here is basically the bidding. Okay, as it said, it is the top of the page low bid. We have the top of the page higher range bid and so on, but we're gonna sort it from smallest to largest for the top of the page low range bid, because people are paying and Google to appear on the top of the page. Okay, and we're gonna look on the keyword here, keyword that we can use for our listing. When you have this list, you're gonna avoid everything which is trademark. Okay, I can see Atsume Miku, certainly a trademark. Funny t-shirt for men, Amazon. We're gonna avoid that. Amazon, and then I see I love anime shirt. Okay, and when I see I love anime search, I'm interested here on the volume search 500. So everything which is greater than 100 is good, but each sale counts. Okay, so even if it's like 50 and above, I go with it. Okay, as long as the competition is not very high on Amazon. So we're gonna check this one. I love anime t-shirt, 500, and very low bid. You can see here 0.19. So I'm gonna copy I love anime. I'm gonna go back to my mesh research tool. I'm gonna paste it there, and I'm gonna search it. When I see I love anime featured design 296. Okay, and when I look at the design here, if I type in Control F and I paste I love anime just to find the listing that have I love anime on the title, I can see the first one that appear have I love anime, and even the title is starting with I love anime. Second one, no. Third one, no. And if I go down, let's see. This one I love anime, but it's not in the it's in the title, but it's not the first. And I think even it's in the brand. It's in the brand name, anime gift. No title with I love anime. This one, the title starts with I love anime. I love anime and Jesus. This is a good ranking itself. Okay. And this one starts with I love anime. It's even in the title again. It's even the rank is even lower than the one that added than this one. So guys, you see here the power. So what you're gonna do when you create your design, then when you finish to create your design, of course, do not copy this design, but create your own design, okay, based on the anime niche. Okay, it can be cat or any other. For example, this one, the one that we just show here, it's just I love anime. Okay, you create your design and you're gonna start your title with I love anime, and then you can add other keywords. I have a keyword video on my channel. You can go back and watch it. But if you want me to do even a deep keyword video, please let me know in the comments. So you're gonna start, for this example, your design with I love anime, and you're gonna post it. And based on what Google is telling us, if you enter this I love anime in your listing, okay, as in the title, the first thing in the title, not the second, you start your listing with I love anime, certainly Google will rank it high, and Amazon, like on this example, the t-shirt, your t-shirt, if people are typing I love anime, because you can see, even if I go in the all department and I type I love anime, you can see I love anime shirt, I love anime hoodie, I love anime, but just come first, and so on. So people are really typing this on Amazon. Google as well is telling us that this keyword at least 500 search per month. So you're gonna do this exercise for each keyword that you have here. As I said, of course, remove everything which is branded and so on. You're gonna find many other love you more. Let's take, for example, this one. Okay, Amazon cat kawaii merch. Let's say love you more. Love you more. We're gonna go back to merch research, copy that, search, and love you more. We can see here 941. Okay, again, Control F, love you more. Let's see in the title, love you more. Okay, this one, love you more in the title, love you more in the title. Okay, I love you more, I love you more. So you see here the power. I really encourage you to go and check by yourself, create your listing, and hopefully you will make sale. If you find any value in this video, please like and subscribe and activate the notification bell for any future video. Thank you and have a nice day.